Are you curious about safeguarding your retirement savings with gold? Let's break down how to roll over a traditional IRA into a gold IRA, step by step. First, understand that a gold IRA is a self-directed IRA that allows you to hold physical gold as part of your retirement portfolio, unlike traditional IRAs, which typically offer stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Here's how to make the transition. Step 1. Choose a reputable gold IRA custodian. This is crucial. Look for transparent fees, strong reviews, and compliance with IRS regulations. Step 2. Open a self-directed IRA account. Your custodian will walk you through the paperwork. Step 3. Initiate a rollover from your current IRA. Ask for a direct rollover to avoid tax penalties. Step 4. Select IRS-approved products like certain coins or bars. Your custodian can help with this. Step 5. Your gold is stored securely in an IRS-approved depository, not at home. Always ask about storage options and insurance. Rolling over is straightforward, but be aware of fees, tax rules, and potential scams. Done right, a gold IRA can offer diversification, inflation protection, and peace of mind for your retirement. Ready to learn more? Check our channel for more tips and trusted resources.